It's Ed, the educational engineer here. My Starchitect friend asked me, are all continuous insulations equal when it comes to Rainscreen assemblies? No. As designers and specifiers, you assess many factors when selecting products: availability, value, compatibility, and performance, just to name a few. And while all insulation products deliver some level of thermal performance, Polyiso simplifies your specifications and delivers performance across a range of Rainscreen configurations. Polyiso's availability means dependability when it comes to specifying the product you want when you want it. Higher R value per inch means thinner assemblies. Polyiso delivers this performance in larger, lighter weight boards when compared to mineral wool board, adding efficiencies to the install process. Are bulky attachment systems for mineral wool board complicating your goal of reducing thermal bridges? Well, Polyiso can be attached with fewer, more efficient fastener options that preserve the thermal integrity of your wall system. Do you require an NFPA 285 compliant wall assembly? Polyiso opens up cladding options not possible with XPS insulation. Don't compromise on performance. Polyiso is your continuous insulation solution for Rainscreens.